Hello students. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss Venn diagrams for various operations of sets. Most of the relationship between the sets can be represented by means of diagrams which are known as Venn diagrams. Venn diagrams are named after the English logician John Venn. John Venn, 1834 to 1883. So these are the diagrams which are named after English logician John Venn. These diagrams consist of rectangles and circles. The universal set is represented by rectangle and its subsets by circles. It means we will represent universal set by rectangles and the other sets by circle, and these sets are the subset of this universal set. Now I am drawing some of the Venn diagrams and explain. So please look and try to understand carefully. First operation I am taking A union B. For this we will draw like this. This is universal set and these are the two sets. This is set A and this is set B. Now A union B means all the elements of A and B. So both A and B will be shaded. This shaded portion represents A union B. Now second, A intersection B. A intersection B. For this again, this is universal set. Now we have two sets. This is A and the other one is B. A intersection B means the common elements of A and B. So this portion represents the common elements of A and B. Now the third is A dash means complement of set A. So for this only one set is required. Suppose this is U and this is set A. It means the elements of U except A. Means the remaining element of U except A represents A dash. Okay, children? Now come to fourth one. Fourth is A minus B, difference of two sets. For this again, we need two sets. This is universal set. These are two sets, A and B. Now difference of A minus B means elements of A except the common elements of A and B. So from A we will subtract these common elements. So this remaining elements of A will represent A minus B, or the difference of A and B. Next is A union B union C. For this, three sets are required. These three are the subsets of universal set. We will draw universal set and three sets like this: A, B and C. These are the three sets. Now union of A, B and C. It means all the elements of A, B and C. So this total portion of A, B and C will represent A union B union C. Next is A intersection B intersection C. A intersection B intersection C. For this, again, three subsets of universal sets are required: A, B and C. These are three subsets of universal set. Now, the common portion of A, B and C. So this is the common portion of A, B and C. So this will represent A intersection B intersection C. Now seventh is A union B dash. A union B dash. Or we can say A dash intersection B dash. This is the result of De Morgan's law. So the diagram, Venn diagram for both these is same. So for this is universal set. We need two sets which are subset of U. These are two sets. This combined area of A and B is A union B, but we have to represent A union B dash. It means the remaining portion of universal set except the area covered by A and B. This represents A union B dash or A dash intersection B dash. Now come to 8th Venn diagram. This is again from De Morgan's law. A intersection B dash or A dash union B dash. For this, again, three sets are required. Sorry, only two sets are required. These are A and B. Now, A intersection B. This common portion is A intersection B, and we have to find A intersection B dash. So accept this common portion, we have to shade the remaining portion of universal set. So this will represent A intersection B dash, or you can say that A dash union B dash. So accept this portion, accept this blue portion, accept this blue portion. The remaining area represents A intersection B dash, or you can say A dash union B dash. Now the next is A is the subset of B. There are two sets and A is the subset of B. For this is universal set. Clearly A is smaller than B. So one set is in the interior of other set. This outer one is B and this one is A. So this represents A is the subset of B. And the last Venn diagram is for A intersection B union C, or we can say that A intersection B union A intersection C. This comes from distributive property. For this, 3 sets are required. This is universal set, and these are 3 sets. Suppose this is A, this is B, and this one is C. B union C means all the elements of B and C. So this total portion represents B union C, and the intersection of this with A. This is set A. So the common portion between B union C and A represents A intersection B union C. So this total is B, and this area is B union C. So this shaded portion will represent A intersection B union C. But from this also you can see A intersection B means the common portion of A and B means this one, and the common portion of A and C means this one, and their union. So the total portion of A intersection B and A intersection C. So in this way, this Venn diagrams are drawn. So look at these and try to draw in your notebook.